starting our descent.
Starting our descent.
Estimated time of arrival is
30 minutes pala kami lumilipad starting our descent na.
05.
At kakabigay pala sa
And weather in Cebu is generally fair at this time. 9 kilometers. Airlines have been targeted. Thank you for flying. Philippine Airlines, it was a pleasure having you aboard. We do hope to see you again on one of our future flights. I have a pleasant stay.
It's 10:30. Estimated arrival 11:05. 2 minutes starting our descent. Maulap po. Yaman. We're now approaching Cebu. I'm guessing this is the end of parang Iloilo ba, Rojas? Not sure. Hindi na ako na sa mapa. Don't know what island is that. It's definitely not Boracay. So that airport again.
Cabin crew, prepare for arrival.
Spoilers up. Wow.
In the overhead stowage bins.
What is
Your
this
seat
mountain?
bags in the upright position. Your footrests stowed. Tray tables securely
There's
locked.
the airport right there.
In-seat videos kept in place.
Bar.
Window shades open. And
Dito ko
your
na yung mga building.
seatbelts securely fastened.
Shangri-La
Thank
building.
you.
This is the Mactan Island. I can see it from here.
Mga binibini at ginoo. Nakailaw na po ang fasten seatbelts sa mabuti.
Wow, what do you call this mountain? Ganda.
Ang bintanang pantakip ay
Tulis.
nakataas at nakakabit ang inyong sinturong pangkaligtasan.
Baba na. This is the first time we use this approach. Mountains. This is Cebu City right there. That's Mactan Island from right there. We're going to make a sharp left U-turn. Oh, I can see the reclaimed area of Cebu. SRP. Oh, diba? Sharp left turn. There you go. That's deep. Yun yung perch. Sobra. Kanan ng konti. At sakto lang. Yun yung birds na tinignan ko.
Approach, and we will be landing in a few minutes. Please check that your seatbelts are securely fastened. We will
SM
not
Mall
be dimming the
being built
cabin
there.
lights.
SM Mall lang tinatayo dyan. I think
Mga binibini at ginoo, sa loob ng ilang sandali,
Wow.
tayo po ay lalabag na. Mangyari po lamang panatilihing nakakapit ang inyong seatbelt.
masyadong mataas. Naka-nose down na siya.
Prepare for landing, cabin crew landing stations.
Sudden drop. Oo nga. Here we go. Cebu Pacific. Hi there. Smooth landing, please. Whoa. Crosswind. That's crosswind. That's reverse thrust. Baliktad yung engine. Baliktad yung power. Okay, we're here. Touchdown Cebu. Hey guys, so we just landed. It's 11:08. Hingga 1 hour and 8 minutes delayed. Basta, delayed kami. Yung view ko sa labas. Hindi ko na nagamit ng CR. Kasi binilisan na rin yung yung flight. Back here in Cebu. That's about it. Kausapin mo sila.
Hi. We just landed Cebu International Airport. Nakatayo ang bawat isa. Inaantay magbukas ang pintuan. At ito'y pinapakilaman ng aking upuan. Ngayon, nantok pa rin ako. Mabuhay po kayo. God bless.
Para sa may sakit. Nalala mo? Ang Vancouver natin. Sabi niya Ocean, meron daw yung parang nakalagay dito. Yun yung cortina para dun sa parang naka-emergency. Tanong mo sila. Tanong mo.
Ay, hawakan. Hawakan.
Na-discover mo rin. Galing ah. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Ano?
Discover mo rin. Wow. Wobbly. Wobbly. Parang tayo na sa trampoline. Ito mo si Papa. Tignan mo na ni Papa. Sino ginagawa? Tuturo ko saan yung. So Ocean, what can you tell? This is your second time in Cebu? Third time? When was the last time you're here?
2010.
2010? Oo. Oh, right. Dito kami sa lounge ng Imperial. Ayan. Chill lang.
Okay,
sleep now, I think.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Wow! I think I'm gonna have to try that. Kaso hindi ko dala yung waterproof ko eh.
Nabili na tayo ng ano nyo.
Hi guys, so actually many people. They meet at their
Parang ngayon ang Christmas party.
Philippine Plane Spotters Group. Chloe Pineda, Seth Perugia, William Codera, Jordan Pagaligan, Charles Calvo, Kevin Makatangay. My heart will watch out for him. So we're going to Iloilo pala, by the way.
Parang hindi na Christmas, hindi na yung...
Yeah, we're going to Iloilo with my friends. Eric Papel, Paul Puga, Jeffrey Chabang, Mel Senya, Cyril Laureo, Atkinson Guzman, Gilbert Villa, Mark Bernardo, April Oriong, Michael Mendoza, Hannah Panganiban, Shembulin, Moses Santos Cual, Ian Sintos, Diego Pili, Iam Regs, sorry dami no, Ivan Braga, yatay mo? Ian De La Peña, Patrick Tagle, Mark Delfin, Dudes Tono, Winston Despi, Poilao, Case Medina, Luis Nable, Chef Albinanza, Justin Dimaya, Benjamin Howe. Okay, greet ko rin po si Mr. and Mrs. Villegas and their son, J. Miguel Villegas. Ayun po. Thank you po for watching yung Hong Kong Beat. Nabasa ko po yung mga comments nyo. Thank you po. Tsaka si, ito. I can't really pronounce your name. Basta siya, parang siya nag-like sa akin. Tsaka nag-watch ng video. Yan. Thank you all for watching. Yun lang. Medyo mamadali tayo kasi delayed yung flight tapos di na tayo nakapag-reach sa plane. Ayun lang. Thank you. Bye-bye. Yun, our service kanina Innova. Ngayon Innova uli. But this time manual car na. Oh, ano to? Innova G? G no? Kasi may upuan dyan sa gitna. Yeah, G. Anyway, hindi ko alam kung nag-greet ko kayo lahat. Basta lahat na nanonood. Thank you for watching Pinoy Travel.
Sir, pwede po kayo magtanong sa concert din po. Sige. Mga ibang restaurant masarap. Thank you. Thank you.
Bye-bye na ka.
Bye.
Tapos na eh.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. Okay, so we just arrived here at the Imperial Palace. I'm gonna be starting my vlog now and get treated with a wonderful view.
So,
Vacation. What? Tawag. Okay guys, so this is day 1 in Cebu. Actually, night na. Nag-swimming na kami kanina, hindi ko dinala to. And tulog si na ma'am, so walang makakapag-video sa amin. But anyway, we're going down. Kain kami dinner sa Amiga. Amiga ba? Ayun. So,